Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So Solana is trying to break below the swing low from Wednesday. This is too deep for an internal wave 4. So if you saw my update on Discord earlier today, then you already know that my preference is here for a larger correction. But that doesn't mean we crash down to $170 necessarily. You know, my lower support area here is still relevant in case the larger B wave is still unfolding. That's the white scenario. And I said to you, should we break below this area around 217? And we haven't, okay? We haven't. If we break below it, then a deeper pullback into the lower support area becomes more likely. But that there might be another scenario that I'm tracking in parallel that we can consider. And that's the orange one. So please understand, the previous scenario we talked about over the last few days isn't even dead. It's not that, but it's become, in my opinion, less likely. Maybe it's now the third or the fourth in line. Basically, we set this area here around $217.40. That's structural support, right? It was not structural, it was Fibonacci support. That's why here structural support built as well. So, I mean, as long as we hold above, I mean, maybe the market will try to go up higher directly. Honestly, I don't really see that. What could happen is maybe a broader wave 2. That can always happen, or a broader wave B, but that wouldn't change the scenario. It might just mean a larger bounce before we get that larger correction to the downside. The double bottom structure that has built here at the moment that's formed indicates that we should get a lower low, and therefore we have these two scenarios to track, yeah? So we have this one in white, which you know already, wave A to the downside from the high of the 18th of September to the downside in wave A. Then we have here a B wave to the upside in an ABC structure. Yeah. And then in a C wave to the downside, we could form 5 waves down. All right? 5 waves down. And this would be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this would be our C wave down. And I mentioned to you already yesterday how the target is calculated. This is calculated by measuring the length of the A wave to the top of the B, and then the C wave to the downside reaches the $179 level, probably, right? That's the 100% FIB extension. So that's an ideal target, right? That doesn't mean we have to get there. I mean, it's not this or that, right? There are many lines in between, gray areas, whatever. The orange count shows us where the price could find support, yeah, before completely breaking down in wave C. And again, it's not necessarily high probability because this move up is a 3-wave move. Yeah, it counts best as a 3-wave move, as an ABC structure essentially, right? So because of that, I can't fully commit to that orange count. If it's a 3-wave move up, it might turn into some kind of a diagonal pattern. And as long as the move down is a 3-wave move and holds the $199.90 level, orange has a chance. Which means I'm still not, I'm not committed to completely breaking down. I don't think we're in a bear market. I mean, can I rule anything out? No. But I try to give you, to the best of my knowledge, the most likely scenarios. And because I find the one that we talked about yesterday less likely now due to price action, yeah, new price data has come in. The idea is that we could go at least here into this area, around $207 to $199.90, or at least this is support. But it looks like that, because this could be a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5. In wave C of 2, in orange. If we get a lower high afterwards and a lower low, that's our C wave. So it should be this, or possibly this. But we'll need a break below $217 to confirm further. I will, of course, track this very closely. Any changes to the microstructures, I will, of course, let you know. So I hope you liked the update. I hope it added some value. If you liked the update, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, let us know which other coins you want to see on the channel, and also consider to join the MCO family. You'll find a link in the description and in the comment section. Have a great day. Bye-bye.